we go. It is time for door number 9. Welcome to LAV Toys. Where is door number 9? I can see it. It's up here with all the snowflakes on it. Who's helping me today? I think it is... Oh, it's Stephanie. All right, Stephanie, let's get this door open and let's see what we are building today. Is it a snowflake? No, it's not a snowflake. Okay, all right. So that was way off there. It looks like it's a little... Can't see for the glare. It's kind of like a rocking reindeer? Let's get it out. Pull it out, Stephanie. Come on. Come on. Use your muscles, girl. And let's get it over to the building table and we'll get it all built up. And then we'll hang it on the tree and we'll see what it actually is. So, let's see. We start with the pink piece and then we need to put the little rockers on underneath. There. Oh, that does not actually rock. So it's only a semblance of it actually rocking. And then we build up the little leggies of the little reindeer. So there, the little dark brown parts are its hooves. And now we've got the leg and the body and the blue part. Which part of a reindeer is blue? Maybe the saddle. I don't know. This reindeer has a blue stripe. And then we need the little hangy piece, which is also decoration. Little white cottontail. And then we need the hook to put the reindeer's horns on. Where are the decorative horns? Gorgeous! I am concerned about the fact that this reindeer has a blue stripe. But it is very decorative. It is a Christmas reindeer after all. Let's put our ribbon on. Oh, goodness me, I'm getting worse at doing this. Let's just put this on here. And now Stephanie can go for a ride. No, come on, take it to the tree. Hang it on the tree. Oh, it's going to be over here next to Andrea's guitar there. Let's see, it's sitting there very comfortably hanging on the branch. Nice little reindeer. Well, all right, that was door number 9. That was really quick. Let's see what we've got behind door number 10 tomorrow. See you then.